Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and healthy. Today I am going to share with you a very healthy bread recipe which is made out of Suji and Ragi flour. So let's get started. So this is 3 cups of Suji or rava which I have ground into a fine powder in my blender. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of instant yeast to it, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Then add 1 cup of ragi flour and 1/4 cup of milk powder. Again give it a good mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix properly. Now add water slowly as required. Now ragi and suji both are going to absorb a lot of water, so you need to add water slowly as required until you get a very soft consistency of the dough. Use your hands to knead the dough. Now this dough is going to be quite sticky, so you need to keep kneading it until everything comes together. Now take 1/4 cup of olive oil and add a small portion of it to the dough, and then keep kneading until the oil is absorbed, and then again drizzle some more and keep kneading until all the oil is absorbed. In this way the dough will be less stickier and it will be easier for us to knead the dough. Grease the surface with some oil and then transfer the dough from the bowl to the surface, and then again knead it for at least 10 minutes. The more you knead the dough, the softer and fluffier would be your bread. So it is very important to knead the dough properly in case of any kind of bread. Again transfer the dough to the bowl and grease the bowl with some oil so that the dough does not dry up and does not stick to the bowl, and then cover it with a cloth and let it rest for at least 90 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the baking pan by greasing it with oil properly. Now this is a 10-inch by 5-inch pan. So my dough has doubled its size after 90 minutes. I am removing any air pockets, and also I am going to knead it again for 5 minutes. So dust the surface with some flour and then transfer the dough to the surface and knead it again for at least 5 minutes before you roll it. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and watch my other recipe videos. And also do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share with your family and friends. After you have kneaded for at least 5 minutes, flatten the dough and then roll it as I have shown in the video, and then bring the edges together on the other side and then put it in your baking pan. Cover it with your kitchen towel and again rest it for at least 30 minutes or until the dough is double its size. Also preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrades. So after second proofing, this is my dough, and I am brushing the surface of the dough with some milk. This is optional. And now I am going to bake this bread in my preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for at least 20 to 25 minutes or until it is golden brown. Take out the bread after it is baked and put it on a wire rack to be cooled to room temperature. Cover it with a cloth so that it does not dry up. After it has cooled down, I will take it out from the pan, and now let's cut it and see how it turned out. So our healthy bread is all ready to be enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee or a glass of milk. So thank you for watching and hope you all like the recipe. If you have any comments and suggestions, please write it in the comment section, and also please like, share and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video.